So I'll link the other video, but these are the brownies. They just came out of the oven. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to frost them. So I'm going to make kind of a decoration. I'm going to try and make them into what looks like dominoes. So this is Funfetti frosting. They're vanilla frosting. This also comes in pastry bags now. I found it over at Target. And that's the only place I've seen them pre-filled pastry bags. If you wanted to try something with them, but so I do have the chocolate, the pastry bag, the chocolate pastry bag, but this is just the vanilla frosting that I'm putting on right now. And I got lucky that they tried these at one of the cooking classes that they did with HC Network America. Otherwise, I probably would have never tried them. Okay, so now we got them frosted with the vanilla. I'm going to make a stripe down the center of them with the chocolate frosting. So this is one of those pastry bags that I have. This is the chocolate Funfetti. And this is a Pillsbury product. It comes in these boxes. It's kind of nice that I found them pre-filled, so it's not going to make a huge mess trying to get this done, like it already has, probably. But anyway, what I want to do is make a line across the center of the brownies. I'm going to go back here. There's that. Maybe I will put some over here. I got, let's see, 2, 3, 5 there. Two, and we want them side down.